Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys eyes protection mode setting in your Tecno phone. Guys, how can you on it in your Tecno phone guys? You want to on guys your eyes protection mode means guys eye comfort. So guys you can on it, and guys now let's see how to on, and guys how can you use it this setting in your Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting. So as you can see guys this type of phone setting, then guys scroll it. Guys you can see your display and brightness setting. So guys tap here, then guys you can see guys your eye care mode. So guys tap here to eye care mode, then guys you can see your eye care mode. Guys you can use from here. After on guys your phone screen color will change like green type. Then guys you can adjust guys your eye care mode temperature color in your Tecno phone like that. Guys you can customize yourself. So guys eye care retains your screen amber like that guys. And guys you should use that guys night when you operate your phone at night, and guys when you study in your phone, so you should on it. It is good for your eyes guys. You can see this notification as well as, and guys you want to off it, so as you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on eye care mode, and guys how to off it. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Then guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.